Nakalumayan.
Sa kaumalis.
Andun,
Diyo, tignan mo, oh. Lakad.
Kaganto ako.
Tanggalin mo yan. Tanggalin mo.
Ang init eh.
Tanggalin mo. Uy, hindi ko nakita.
Hala,
Isa pa.
parang tanga.
Ito ba, go. Eh, gawin na. Try ko.
Be split if that
brain
long.
function for a second.
We'll be split if that long.
Do you guys want to go with us, or you gonna want to?
Yeah, we're gonna follow you.
Oh, okay.
Looks like Queen Elizabeth.
Another one. Yat.
Ano?
Tara dito. Upo ka doon. Bibidyoan kita.
Saan? Mainit kaya?
Upo.
Mainit.
Kahit anong piliin yan, pipiliin ko pa rin siya. Wala ka magawa sa buhay kapag ang taong gusto mo, hindi ikaw ang gusto.
Steve,
Steve
you always notice something like that.
Anghang.
One more.
Ha?
Are these?
Oo, you're plastic. Oo, oo. Oo, you're my fan. Oo. Judgmental.
Kaawain ka dyan. Hindi ko na eh.
Mag-asawa yan siguro. No?
Lalaki ba isa? Mukhang babae yung isa eh.
Ewan ko.
Hala! Kinakagat be.
Hindi, gago.
Sisirain niya yan.
Hindi ko kayang kunin yan, be.
Ay puta. Hindi mo agad
Hindi ko nakuha.
Cellphone agad yung kinuha. Dapat yung pan.
Dapat yung beb. Dapat yung pa na lang. Uy. Wala na. Hala, umandar.
Hala,
Umandar,
umandar.
be. Baka sumabog yan. Hala. Hala, magagalit yan. Hala. Hala,
Ang inang
paano to?
ninangat-ngat.
Be, baka sumabog.
Hindi sabi gagi.
Hala, sinisira niya, umaandar.
Yut, gagi. Nasira na.
Hala, baka mo kuryente yan, be. Ha?
Umalis ka muna dyan. Hala, tutusok niya be. Tutusok. Hala.
Hala.
Yut,
nawala
tinanggal
na.
gagi.
Baka makuryente yan, be.
Oh, tutusukin niya yan. Mandar ba?
Mandar. Hala.
Sira. Oh, ina, sayang 2,000. Kunin mo na.
Ikaw nga kumuha, sige. Try mo.
Ayaw pa ko. Kanina kasi katabi na, hindi pa hinabla.
Gag... pag ginanong ko, tapos kukunin niya, oh.
Oh.
Edi mag-blutan kami dalawa, sabunutan pa ako niyan. Alam mo naman yung mga unggoy na nanabunot yan.
Kunin mo na.
Siraan na, be. Sige, ikaw kumuha. Sige,
Ikaw
sige.
ang sayan eh. Kanina kasi, di pa kinuha.
Nandito na, be. Kinuha ko yung cellphone ko. Akala ko hindi niya kukunin. Nag-aaway na sila.
They got her fan.
She got her son?
The fan. Fan. Ayun na.
You're not joking.
Laglag na. Huh. Shh.
Be, wag. Gago ka. Hala.
Yeesh.
Holy shit.
Mama. Not my
Kang
shoes.
gagalaw, gagi.
Not my
That's why it
shoes.
says beware the monkeys. That's not a joke. That one's got battle scars. What's that plastic thing?
It's her fan.
That black thing?
Yeah.
What is it? What part?
The
Center?
front. The front.
Okay, well, where's the main part?
Tang ina, ginakaban ako, gagi. No, don't go close. Just let her go first. Let him go first. He's seeing you as a... He got it again.
It's still working.
Don't talk too loud.
Hey, get it.
Kunin mo na.
Nah, you can fix it.
There's the, get the black thing. Here. Right here.
Kinabahan ako ah.
Wow. How did it do it? It just like ran up and grabbed
We
it?
were sitting and he's already there. Good thing she got her phone.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because it's on the
Oh
side.
yeah, they'll take phones, car keys, all kinds. Your,
Oh my
your
gosh.
wallet. Yeah. Yeah, beware. And one up there almost bit me, a big male.
Wow.
That one too almost beat you.
I know. They're not messing around.
Because maybe you have a loud voice. And they
Yeah,
don't like
maybe.
that.
Yeah, they're like, more meat.
Oh my gosh. I was so scared when it got up to you.
You saw the big one?
No, this one, when it
Oh,
got
there,
close
yeah.
to you.
Yeah, but the one up there, babe,
Mhm.
was way bigger.
Really?
It was a big male.
Did you take a video?
I don't know. I didn't get video at that point, no. I was just walking up to it, and then it comes at me, and I was like,
I see where the